Today is a little bit of a different video. As you might hear, I'm having a bit of a cold, so I thought let's not talk too much, but just take you with me on my day working in the studio. Yeah, now it's a little bit of a fabric mayhem in the studio. Hi there! Welcome to a new video on the Sugaridoo YouTube channel. Just in case you're new here, my name is Irene, and on this YouTube channel I make videos about quilting, patchwork, fabrics, projects, yeah, all of those topics. And this week I wanted to take it slow because I was feeling a little bit under the weather, and so I'm going to take today and tomorrow to organize the studio, because we started making fabric kits for the new Sugaridoo Bernina quilt along that's coming up in January. So a lot of fabric came in last week and we started cutting and making quilt kits, and yeah, now it's a little bit of a fabric mayhem in the studio, so things need to get organized before you can continue making our kits next week. I have some boxes that I need to unpack, some inventory that I need to check and put in the web shop. So I thought I will just take you with me and show you what's going to happen in the studio today. I have temporarily moved my sewing machine over here, so here's my desk, and I've added an extra table over here to have some extra workspace because I'm working on multiple things at the same time right now. So I'm working on finishing all the projects for my book. We're going to do a photo shoot next month to shoot all the projects for my book. Super exciting. So here are some projects for the book. And I'm finishing those at the moment, but at the same time we're making quilt kits, and that's happening on the big table over there. So to be able to work on those two at the same time, I created some extra workspace. Okay, so one more extra work area to clean out, and then I can start on cleaning up this big mess. This is going pretty well, so that whole part of the studio is already perfect. Here is a lovely fabric bundle. Just wanted to tell you about this. This is a fabric bundle by Zen Chic for Moda, and I'm going to make a super fun project with this. So the plan is that my mom and I both have a fat quarter bundle like this, and we're going to make a round robin together. So we're both going to make a starter block and then hand it out to, or swap it, and then make something, add something to the starter block and then swap it again, and both with the same fabrics. So super excited about that, and already curious what it's going to look like, what we will be making, but it's for sure going to be a very fun project. I could also store these rulers in boxes, but having them out on display, I can easily see what is still in stock and what is running low. So every ruler has two options, so there's low shank and high shank. That depends on the type of machine that you have. Yeah, so here I have all the Angela Walter rulers, and on the other side I have a mix of rulers by Good Measure. So these are Amanda Murphy rulers, and also one by Angela Walters, because this is the ruler set that you can order for the Sugaridoo Bernina quilt along that's going to start in January. But I'm already stocking these because they sell quite a lot. So yeah, I have it all nice on display, so it's easy for me to see what I need to restock. So let's see what else we need to do today. Well, it's already the afternoon, so lunch break wasn't on camera, but I guess let me show you what is here on the floor. So here I have already a lot of quilt along kits all packed, new fabric that came in, new shipping boxes and new packing materials. Yeah, so I guess the main thing that I want to accomplish today is cleaning up my big workspace, and then it's all good for today. Yay, it's done! All the surfaces in the studio are clean again. So the big one over here, and my Q16 area, and temporary sewing machine space, my desk. So everything is nice and clean to start working again next week. I'm already going to call it a day for today. Taking some more rest today and tomorrow, I guess. Hopefully be better next week. And yeah, I guess this was more like a clean the studio, get organized with me kind of video. Hopefully next week there's going to be a new project to be working on, or some tips and tricks video, who knows. So hope to see you again next week. Thank you so much for watching, and wishing you a wonderful day. Bye!